Hello everyone, I'm back with another Chromebook video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can add application on our Chromebook self. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that on Chromebook this taskbar area is called as self. Now if you want to add your favorite application on Chromebook self, you can follow this guide. To add your application, simply open App Launcher. Now select the application you want to add to the self. Say for example, I want to add YouTube Music. Simply right click on YouTube Music application and here you will find a context menu. From here, simply click on Pin to Self. This will add the application on your Chromebook self. Now you can use the shortcut to open your application. Now to remove application from the self, simply right click on the application and here you will find Unpin option. Simply click on Unpin. And it will remove the application from the self. So that's it. This is a simple method by which you can add and remove application on your Chromebook self. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.